What is up, boys and girls? It's Seb here with Modify Up. As promised, in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick update on Project Wonder. So last week, I threw on the Bintang wife beater, got to work and spent some time stripping the interior a bit more and getting around to pulling the motor out. With a little bit of patience and a bit of help from Rendog, I began prepping the motor to be lifted out. Once I had the motor out, I found out Stevie Wonder screwed me again with this wonderful Firewall mod. He was too lazy to remote mount the reservoir, so instead they've recessed the whole clutch master cylinder onto the clutch pedal bracket by cutting the Firewall with one hand tied behind his back, blindfolded. After weeks of umming and ahhing and a boatload of research, I finally decided what motor I'd be dropping in. So thank you to everyone who guessed, but nobody guessed the correct engine configuration. Whap, whap, wow. And the engine I'll be putting in the hutchie is... Oh, sorry, that's for my private video. 1.5 AZ FTE. That's right, the unholy Camry / RAV4 / Avensis Rogan Josh delivering power plant of the gods. So what the hell is a 1AZ FTE? Well, to be honest, I'm not sure if this is actually going to work, but I'll lay it out for you. I'll be using this 2AZ FE motor as a base. My aim is to de-stroke the motor using either the complete 1AZ bottom end or just the crank out of a 1AZ to achieve a total displacement of roughly 2.1 litres down from the standard 2AZ 2.4 litres. This will give me an over square motor with a bore of 88.5mm and a stroke of 86mm. My main aim is to build a high RPM capable motor so as not to lose the high revving spirit of the AE86. Now having said that, the 2AZ is a low down torque motor with a massive stroke of 96mm in stock form. So I'll have to significantly strengthen the block and valve train to reach my goal of 10,000 RPM. The AZ series motor features a solid lifter design and roller rocker arms, and should prove quite capable once I have the right cam, spring and valve combination. As for the FTE part of the 1AZ FTE, I'm going to be running a GTX 3076 turbo with either a 0.82 housing or a 1.06 rear housing, which should see boost all the way up to our 10k RPM limit. Since I can't find any of this information, I'll be documenting the whole teardown and parts interchangeability. There are plenty of other motors I could have chosen, but I think this will be pretty special once it's finished. That is it, guys. Let me know what you think about this swap in the comment section down below. Or if you know anything about de-stroking a 2AZ motor that I don't know, make sure you get at me here or on Instagram at ModifyUp. I'll be picking up the 1AZ motor in the next couple of weeks, so make sure you tune in for that, as I'll be tearing those two down and seeing what parts are actually interchangeable. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!